All right, so now we're up for another challenge, folks. Sim and I are going to show off our mixology skills with the help of mixologist Shakira Johnson. So we're going to make a reggae-inspired drink. Shakira, wagwan, morning, welcome to Smile Jamaica. All is well?
All is well. Good morning.
Morning. Tell me about Shakira quickly. You are
All right.
Tell me quickly about Shakira.
Mixed Spirits. Find me on social media, MYXED Spirits with 2Z. Been a bartender 10 years this year.
Congratulations.
Wonderful. Thank you so much.
All right,
Decade.
Been doing this for quite a while.
we don't need fear no more. So what we're doing this morning? What I must
Today
do?
we'll be creating a cocktail, a reggae-inspired cocktail. You'll be doing the non-alcoholic version.
I will
It's
be doing the
called
non-alcoholic
Reggae Mix.
version.
We both will.
Yes.
No,
alcohol.
no, apparently. We both will. All right. Okay, so where we
Both
start?
of you, because I sent you some stuff.
Yeah. So
I
where
want
we,
Neville, I
Mix
want
up.
your cup.
where we start?
Cause them
All right,
pretty.
we're gonna start with your tin. You have a small tin. I'm using the glass. So you're gonna start with your jigger. I sent you a jigger.
Yeah.
One
Jigger.
is clear, one is silver.
Yeah.
The short part,
Yeah.
you're gonna use ½ ounce. There's a measurement inside or on the outside.
Yeah.
So you're gonna use a ½ ounce and you're gonna pour that into your mixing glass.
Half
or your
ounce of
mixing
what?
tin.
Half ounce of what?
Lime juice.
Wait.
Lime juice. This is lime juice.
Okay.
So you should have lime juice there.
We do.
Good. Yeah.
Half ounce.
You have it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Good job.
And pour it
Alright,
into the
I
glass.
sent you some.
Pour it into the tin.
Yes, you're gonna pour it in your tin, the small one.
Okay.
Have that. Cool. I sent you some bitters.
Yeah.
I'd never leave home without it.
Yeah, we have Vitas, man.
Right. So you're gonna give me 3 dashes or 4.
What is a dash, please?
You're gonna turn and dash inside the glass.
Like dash
this.
it, dash it way? No, she said three.
This is
I
what we
did do
call it.
3.
You do three?
Yeah.
No, no say do three. 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash. No, so.
That dash they
That's
look
right.
dashish.
And more for good luck.
One more
Dash
for
it
good
without
luck.
warning.
And next dash.
That is a
That's
4.
it.
She said dash.
You don't want to taste your drinks. Go on again, Shax.
All right, next one. The tall part of your jigger, right here, you're gonna add some strawberry mix.
How much?
So Simone, you're gonna add mango, because we're gonna switch shakers
How much of it?
afterwards. So you're gonna use 2, let's say 1.5 ounce,
Okay.
because it's a tad bit sweet.
Okay.
Right.
You turn it
Neville,
in.
you're gonna do the strawberry. Simone is doing the mango, because we're gonna do a little layer.
So I must do 1.5 ounce, right?
Correct.
We are good students, you know. We are good
Very
students.
well.
So I'm just putting the mango alone, right? Not the strawberry.
Yes.
So why
Okay.
you turn it the other way? This not say one and
Because
a
you
half
need
ounce,
2
right?
ounce.
That's so. She said 1.5 ounce.
1.5.
Yeah, so
Yeah,
why
my
say-
jigger though doesn't
2
allow.
ounce might be a bit too sweet.
My jigger only goes up to 3/4 ounce now. So you have to turn it the other way.
Your
Yours is
jigger
bigger.
don't-
The other
Nice
way,
like my
right.
jigger.
The tall part.
My jigger nicer than everybody jigger.
My.
And a dash with this inside here too, right?
No, you pour.
Oh, you pour,
You pour that
don't-
one.
You don't dash with.
Oh.
Okay.
All right, you have add ice to your tin. Add it to the big one.
Plenty
Add it to the
ice.
big one you said?
Yes, because you're gonna pour the small one into the big one like this.
Come.
Plenty ice.
Don't full the tin, because you're gonna use the small one to
Cover
close
the
like
other
this.
one. Okay. Ice.
Let me see what you got.
Where have you, man? Where have you,
Alright,
Shakira?
cool.
Don't worry. Where have you?
Yeah, you got this one.
Then,
All right, this is what you're gonna do with the tin. You're gonna give me a slight angle, not straight. Slight angle, and tap it. The top
Yeah. And
to
shook
secure
it.
it in the tin.
Yeah.
Let me see if you can
Not
hold it like
straight
this.
over. Just say angle, sir.
let me know.
If it closes like this, you're perfect.
No, Shakira,
No,
me
no,
can't
our-
next thing you know,
our-
it's like a jump out.
God, this one must
So
be too.
close it.
Well, this one look
Put
like
it,
it's
put
too
it,
small
put it
because
small.
this one going to drop right in Shakira.
Or check.
Yes, it will.
All right.
All right.
And do what?
Tap it. And
Yeah.
then you're gonna shake. Shake.
Shake, shake,
Give
shake,
it a
senora. Shake your butt. Shake,
Shake, shake, because we're creating liquid. Give it nice shakes.
And then?
All right. You're gonna tap to the side to give it a friction to open.
Well, mine now open.
No. Let me see yours, Neville.
Mine now open.
Jaja.
Let me see it.
Can you shove it down too far?
Then that you say must do.
Shakira, this don't catching out today.
Where's soft man?
Wait a minute.
Soft man, come here.
This is gonna need a Chef Ferran tools. Hold on.
Come here, sir.
Let me see again.
It now open.
Can you shove down it too? I told you shove it down too far.
I told you tap.
And I did tap. Well, there's one drink to go make, obviously.
You're not getting ahead of my drink.
No, because we need that part.
Ah,
Ah,
My teeth
Got it.
edge.
sweet.
Yeah.
Strainer. This
Wrap.
is called your Hawthorne strainer.
this one here. Yeah. We have 2
Yes,
minutes.
You're gonna put it on top.
Yeah.
Yours might have a little hands part, just as small for your index finger.
Yeah.
You put
You
it with
notice
the
when you
little,
push it forward, the spring moves.
so you put it with the springy thing on top or the next thing?
On
Boy,
top,
my
correct,
spring
like
gonna
this.
grow.
The springy thing on top. And what you do now?
My
Here.
spring catch off of the arm.
You slide it forward
Yeah.
to avoid ice coming out
Yeah?
and pour.
Pour where?
Are you looking?
Yeah.
Right. See that? And
Yeah.
pour in your glass. Your serving glass is here. Correct.
Excellent
Right.
job, Nev.
Your serving glass.
So what? Oh, the spring goes the other way. I knew that.
You don't rate me.
Nice.
Not
Let me
to
see
that.
what you got.
So
Why,
me
mine-
on.
I'm gonna
All
be
right.
a problem.
And ice now, never.
Put more ice or put ice
To
from
your
in here?
glass. To your glass. To your glass.
No, but put the ice that I have in here.
No.
Oh, new.
Fresh ice. Always fresh ice.
Oh, fresh
Then ice not fresh,
Yes.
whether it was used already or not.
No, the one that you're using in the tin is called dirty ice.
No, sir.
No, why? In bartender term, because we already add spirits to it or juices.
Oh. I never know said dirty
So you're
ice
gonna
could
add ice
ever
now.
be a thing.
We have 1 minute here, Shakira.
Let's go, let's go.
Okay.
Ice. All right, switch shaker, Simona never quickly. The shaker. We're
What
gonna
about-
switch. Yes.
Go
so
use
you're
it
gonna
again?
take the strawberry shaker. He's gonna take the mango shaker.
We're gonna take my. Give me your.
Right. Let's go. Same thing as before.
We'll go to another thing again.
Yes. Because
Oh,
we're
yeah.
adding the yellow to your red and the red to Simone's yellow.
I don't think we're gonna have the
We
time.
now go have the time. So where I put the yellow?
Let's do it. We
Where?
can do it. We can do it.
Put it where?
To your shaker. To your shaker.
The small
your
one.
jigger.
The small one or
Yes.
the big one?
The
Same
small
one that you just did a while ago. So you're going to put it back into your small one,
Yes.
and then
Jigger.
catch it in the.
Right. Add ice,
Mixing
Simone.
again. More ice?
Add ice. Let me see it.
Never have ice in there already.
What you mean
Okay,
use
good.
some more? What you mean
Add
by
a little
use
more
some more?
bitters.
Oh, the
Bitters.
bitters.
Your bitters. Yeah.
I'm circumventing the process. How would I have a lot of
Well,
time?
them say I must use yours. So I
We
don't
want
have
to
no
create
more,
some
no
more
more to do.
juices. You add yours, Neville?
No, apparently we don't have no time, so we just going to work with Simone.
All right, cool. No problem.
Let's go again, Dave. So,
Yes. Correct.
and then you pour it out.
Pour. No, get your spoon. Get your spoon, Simone. Get your spoon. Get your spoon.
Got it?
Give me a slant with your spoon to your glass. Look at me.
Yeah,
Slant.
yeah.
Yes. And then pour with your look. And pour. We're gonna create a little color. So we're doing a mix. Right. Let me see. Nice. And add some more ice to that. And give
Okay.
you some stirrers. Some nice little cute toothpicks. There you got a nice mix. Add some more ice.
Boy, all right.
Let me see.
Stop in your watch me.
And then put a stirrer.
Right. We wanted to add a little orange. If you can cut that orange real quick to make your garnish.
How you make the garnish now?
You just
So
garnish.
cut it in half and then cut another circle, a thin circle.
A circle?
Again. Yes. No, same way, just like the half.
Yeah, just bust
This
it now.
big half that you have there.
It's too big.
Exactly.
Right.
Don't worry about it. And give me half.
Or you can cut it like that.
Give me half, man. And then cut that.
Right. And
No,
give
cut
it a
that
slit in
half.
the middle now.
Yeah.
Right. And put it on the side. Now you cut it in half. All right. Good. Awesome.
I don't know
But
what
we
that
wanted
is.
a full glass of juice because you didn't shake your shakers hard enough.
I don't know if I'm gonna shake it anymore.
Your
TBH.
straw, if you have your straw there, add your straw.
Shakira, how me look? How me look?
You look good, man. Stay good.
Or
Right.
Stay
taste.
good. Kind of short still.
I don't know. We have to go. Thank you so much for being so
It's a
patient with
pleasure.
us.
Cheers.
For being so patient with us this morning.
And benches.
look after yourself. God
And
bless.
benches.
All right?
See you.
All right. So when we come back, it's time for Winter Olympic facts. We soon come.